Welcome back to From Hesitant to Confident in 5 Weeks. I'm so glad you're here. This program is designed to support you in growing spiritually while also strengthening your closest relationships. This week, we turn inward because real confidence begins with how you treat yourself. Through self-kindness, you'll find the courage to stand in your own light without fear of losing connection. And always, we return to the truth. Love is the greatest kindness. So often, we give endlessly to others, partners, children, friends, community. But when we neglect ourselves, our giving becomes heavy. We feel tired, unseen, and disconnected. Self-kindness changes that. It fills the well. It restores balance. It makes every other act of kindness sustainable. I used to feel guilty for resting or saying no, but I learned that when I practice self-kindness, I show up more loving, more patient, and more joyful in every relationship. That guilt turned into gratitude. This week, I invite you to reflect on your relationship with yourself. When was the last time you treated yourself with kindness? What beliefs or habits stop you from caring for yourself? Write your thoughts in your worksheet. Be honest. This is your space of truth and tenderness. Your practice this week is to create a 3-day self-kindness ritual. Rituals are important because they create a habit that you will automatically follow. So choose one simple act. Maybe it's making yourself some tea and just sitting in your favorite chair and resting. Writing yourself an encouraging note. Just take 10 minutes for yourself to do whatever you want. On top of that, you could also treat yourself to something more, like having a massage. No rules, except that you do something that shows the love that you have for you. Do it for 3 days and track how you feel. Notice not only the relief, but also how it changes the way you show up for others. As you practice self-kindness, remember, it's not selfish, it's sacred. May you discover that when you fill your own heart, you have more love to give. And that is the beginning of deeper connection. And remember, deeper connection brings more confidence in all that you do. I'll see you next week for kindness in relationships. Until then, be gentle with yourself.